Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your HubSpot CMS for technical SEO fixes, full guide step by step clearly. To update your HubSpot CMS for technical SEO fixes, start by logging in. Navigate to the website section of your HubSpot dashboard. Click on the landing pages or website pages tab, depending on what you want to update. Select the page you wish to optimize for technical SEO. Review the current page settings by clicking on the settings icon in the top right corner. Ensure you have appropriate meta tags by looking for the SEO section. Update the title tag to include relevant keywords, keeping it under 60 characters. Modify the meta description to be enticing and relevant, ideally between 150 to 160 characters. Check the URL slug to ensure it is short, descriptive, and includes keywords. Make necessary adjustments, and do not forget to remove unnecessary words. Next, implement header tags correctly within your content. Use H1 for your main title, and assign H2 or H3 tags for subheadings as needed. After organizing your header tags, assess your internal linking structure. Make sure you link to other relevant pages on your site to help with navigation. Utilize alt text for your images by describing the image and including keywords. This enhances accessibility and makes your images SEO friendly. Now, conduct a mobile friendliness test on your page layout. Ensure your content is responsive and readable on mobile devices. Next, check your page speed using online tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. If your page speed is lacking, consider optimizing images or reducing page elements. Additionally, verify that your website has an SSL certificate for secure browsing. Look for the secure or HTTPS indicator in the URL bar. Now, ensure your sitemap is updated to include all relevant pages. You can find the sitemap under the Reports section in HubSpot. If necessary, regenerate your sitemap to reflect any new changes. Finally, review your robots.txt file to ensure search engines can crawl your site effectively. Make any necessary edits to allow or disallow specific areas as needed. Once all adjustments are made, preview your page to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.